back at Goodwill, and today I brought Hanne! Hey! We're gonna get her a ultimate 70 girls outfit.
This place is great to sift through racks for hidden gems. We can go long sleeve, short sleeve, button up, dress up, or dress down.
So the 70s is a big era. I'm thinking keep it simple. Make sure to get some good patterns and colors. And don't forget the belt-button jeans. For this outfit, don't be afraid to use accessories. I found the perfect pattern for inner hair.
Is a stripy tie turned into a stylish head wrap. Surprise everyone by thinking outside of the box. The red and orange color scheme fits along nicely with the theme. The fun pattern we chose is an added touch that clashes with her striped headband in the best way. Now that your outfit game is strong, throw on some funky eyeshadow combined with spunky lenses. And don't forget to shake that booty. Can you dig this outfit, man? I'm Lavinia, and this was Goodwill Haunting.